In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to import a full hierarchy of assignments into AlignMix. So before we start the import, let's first look at the Excel file we will be using to import this hierarchy. Here we have a zip to territory file with the district and region assignments. So in this import, we're going to import our zip codes, assign zip codes to a territory, which in this case will have a territory ID and a name. Those territories will then be assigned to districts, and the districts will be assigned to regions. So all of those assignments will happen at the same time during this import. So now let's go back to our blank AlignMix file and start this import. So here in AlignMix, we first go to File, then Import, and then select Import Your Data. From here, we select the file we plan to import and then click on Open. When the import screen appears, it will default to showing you the columns for your data sets from the first worksheet in that Excel workbook. So we need to select a different worksheet by clicking on the back button. And now we select the worksheet we plan to import and click on Next. And now all of your column labels will appear here on the left side. So what we need to do now is drag these column labels from the left to the corresponding section on the right. So let's start with our zip code. So zip code gets dragged to zip code ID. Territory ID goes to territory ID. Territory name to territory name. Now if you don't have an ID and a name for your territories, you can just pull one of those fields over into ID or name. They can be interchangeable if you only have one of the two. Then we have territories assigned to districts and districts assigned to regions. From here we click on the Next button, and now we see a summary of what we are about to import. And here you can see we are importing 99 territories into 10 districts, and those 10 districts are assigned to 3 regions. Clicking on Next, the import process will begin, and then when it's finished, you'll be able to click on the Finish button. As soon as you do that, all of your territories will appear on the screen. To double check that our hierarchy has been imported, we can click here on the plus button and open up a district map, and now you can see all of our districts are shown here on the screen. And then we can open up our third tab here to show a regions map, and you'll see our 3 regions are now shown on the screen. And there you go. You've just learned how to import a full hierarchy of assignments into AlignMix.